Hey guys! It's my pleasure to see you again. How are you guys doing? Time to give you more action of Girls X Battle. This video is going to be all about experiment on a certain battle girl, namely Exorcist. I've been asking myself this question. Why the word exorcist? From my understanding, exorcist is a person who gets rid of evil spirits. Well, of course, that includes ghosts and evil souls, demons, whatsoever. But why exorcist? Doesn't seem to match. And when I look at this picture, do you think her ass would make me this horny? Such childish panties. Isn't that evil as well? I don't know. But either way, she's still so cute, especially with the big hammer. No! Don't use the memory hammer on my head! I'm scared. Let's look at the stats. Her defense is the highest. And her PvP is slightly, I'll say slightly, exceptionally high. And her third best in terms of her strength is her attack. Front DPS with capacity to intermingle enemies formation in the beginning of the battle. Though I don't even know what intermingle means. Either way, she's a strength type battle girl, and let's check out her skill. Okay, her first skill. Flashes to the behind of the furthest enemy and uses hammer to heavily strike the target 3 times, dealing damage and inflicting knockback. Third strike inflicts a short time stun. From my understanding that her highest damage will come from her third hit, as it says increases 885 damage of every attack. So which means to say that subsequent attack there will be more damage. And this is a level debuff. That's pretty interesting. Going all the way to the back, something like Javelin, and just attack them from behind. Second skill, Evil Retreat. At the beginning of each battle, if Exorcist has at least one ally, she'll be the last one to enter the battle. So from my understanding, the fourth girl, be it the rear, the front, the middle caster, the last person enters the battle already, then she will come in. Enemies hit by her assault will be knocked back. When she has less than 30% of her HP, she will escape from the field and later will come back once she recovered some HP. This works something like Kratos' skin, Campus Legend. And I'm not going to explain Kratos' skin because this is not what video is all about. So that's a slightly tactical skill in my opinion. Okay, her third skill. Charges a hammer to smash the enemy, dealing damage and inflict knockback and stun. It didn't mention anything about the level debuff. As compared with the first skill, stun rate increase with level, inevitable to hit enemies whose level below 59. So as of now, my Exorcist is level 51 with my bookshelf plus 8. That's why the skill level is 59. Alright, let's go to her fourth skill, which is the passive skill. The training took by Exorcist allows her attack to be more accurate. Hit rate means to increase more accuracy. And she's good against a formation that has high dodge rate, for instance, Javelin, Hexer, and Saint, etc. So that's an interesting skill, though not many people will use Exorcist, especially at the high levels. Alright, let's go and check it out. Let's bring 2 allies. Is it laggy or something? I apologize for my lagginess. Level too low. Cannot. Level 54, okay. I think that's a fine choice. Where the hell there's my cute little exorcist. Let's bring a Litana and maybe one rear. Low level one. I guess I'll bring Archie. So activate her second skill first. I'll tell you first. Boom! There is Exorcist. Whoa. So that must be her third skill. Whoa. I'll show you her ulti. Ooh. She just went to the back like Flash, and then she just hit them 3 times. Interesting, right? Oh no, she got locked by Annie. She retreated already, Exorcist. There she goes again. Oh, that's some bug. Boom. That's her third skill. By right, that Iron Fist should be knocked back. Sometimes there's a little bit of bug. I don't know what bug is this. Okay, now I'm going to show you the PvP part of Exorcist. I was hit by somebody yesterday and I saw a 5-star Exorcist. And wow, you can see how interesting Exorcist is. Let's roll the clip. Whoa, look at that Exorcist, so late then appear. Oh, she has retreated. Wow. She's like a bulldozer. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Whoa. How amazing is this Exorcist? Well, you can use her for fun, you can use her for other tactical means. And alright, that's it for this video about Exorcist. And I'll leave it to you whether you like to use Exorcist at higher levels or you just want to use her for fun. I'll leave the decision all up to you. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again in the next video. God bless you. Bye.